Hello and welcome back to Tricky Track Spoken English. My name is R.D. Mehra. Today's topic is how to ask and answer questions in English. Are you ready? Let's get started. इंग्लिश कॉन्वर्सेशन सुनिए और वीडियो के अंत में दिए हुए क्वेश्चंस के आंसर दीजिए। अगर आप इंग्लिश बोलना सीखना चाहते हैं तो वीडियो को अंत तक जरूर देखिए।
Where are you from? I'm from Haryana. Where do you live? I live in Delhi.
Where is your office? My office is in Connaught Place. Where are you going? I'm going to the office.
Where did you go yesterday? I went shopping with my friends.
Where is Kunal?
Kunal is at the cafe.
Where were you yesterday? I was at home. Where is Anna?
She is at the party.
Where were you born? I was born in my village.
Where are children? They are playing in the park.
Where do you work? I work for a company.
Do you study?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Where do you study? I study at Delhi University. Where do you come from originally?
I come from India.
Where is my mobile phone? Your mobile phone is on the table. Where can I get a taxi? You can get a taxi from a taxi stand. Where do you live?
I live at Lakshmi Nagar in Delhi.
Where are my books? Your books are in your bag.
Where did Kunal leave his shoes? He left them in the car. Where should we stay? We should stay at the Taj Hotel.
Where can we meet tomorrow? We can meet at the cafe. Where did you grow up? I grew up in my village.
Where does your father work? My father works in a bank. Do you exercise every day? Yes, I do.
Where do you go for exercise? I go to the gym.
Anu, are you hungry?
Juhi?
Yes, a little bit. Are you satisfied with your work?
Yes, I'm satisfied. Are you happy with me? Yes, of course.
Do you like using a mobile phone? Yes, I love it.
What's your favorite phone? My favorite mobile phone is iPhone. What do you do for fun? I use my phone. Are you married? No, I'm single. How old are you? That's his personal.
Do you live with your family? Yes, I live with my family.
Now it's your turn. Answer these questions. Let me know in the comments.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Where do you live? Where do you live?
Where are you right now?
Where were you yesterday? Where were you yesterday? Where are the children? Where are the children?
Where is my mobile phone?
Yeah?
Where is my mobile phone? Welcome! Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time.